Hey, how's it going everyone? I hope you guys are doing amazing. আপনাদের সবাইকে Wareeth ইনস্টলসে আবারো স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি. As you know, I had been putting some parts on my 2018 Toyota Camry, and I have some more parts that I haven't installed yet because I brought those from eBay, and I guess I have a couple of them left. I couldn't even put those parts on last two videos. Anyways, so it was supposed to be 3 of them, but one came damaged, so I might be returning that or ask for a refund, or I might ask for the same parts. I'm not sure. Let's see what happens. Well, the last 2 parts I'm going to install today. I'm going to try to make a short video on that. So let's just jump into the work. Alright, so here we have the gas tank cover, and this is a carbon fiber print. This is plastic, like hard plastic, and looks like they have already put some glue over here. I might try to put some more over here to give some extra protection. So let's see how does it work. Alright, so I'm going to clean this and then put some alcohol to make sure, as you know already, so the glue sticks better. So after that, I'm going to come back and put that on. I'm going to show you how does it look. Okay, now I'm going to open the tank cover, and I'm going to make sure this cover is really sticking on the tank cover. So let's just put it the way it's supposed to be, then I'm going to come back with the other stuff. It looks beautiful, right? I know. By the way, it also came with a Camry sticker, which is for here. They already have a cut over here, so I'm just going to put right into it. Alright, here we go. I hope you guys liked it. Well, I really liked it. It's beautiful. Alright, so I also have a shark fin decorative antenna. This is only for decoration. It doesn't even have any work, but I'm just gonna put, as a decoration. So I'm going to install it right now, and then we will see how does it look. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the shark fin antenna. Looks beautiful. It took a little time to do some measurement, but I hope I did it right. This is how it looks now. So that'll be all for today's video. I hope you guys really liked it. If I do anything else on this car later on, then obviously I'll share with you guys. And make sure you guys check out the playlist 2018 Toyota Camry, and you will see a lot of different installation that I have done already. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, you guys have a good one. Alright, so I got some extra protection here. This is kind of carved. I don't think something's going to fit over here, but I put some here, and some here. This is my own. These are from the company. take care. I'll see you in a minute.